皆さん、こんにちは。スーパラードジュンリー先生です。今日は新しい日本語レッスンを勉強しましょう。お元気ですか？ Wow, so today we are going to learn a new Japanese lesson. But before we start, let me present first the objectives of today's lesson. So today we are going to study grammar lesson 8. And these are the objectives of today's lesson. One is to familiarize the vocabulary words in lesson 2 of Mina no Nihongo I and to use the grammatical patterns kore, sore, and are. Kono noun, sono noun, and ano noun, and so des, and soja arimasen. Okay, but before we begin with our lesson today, let us first have a short review of our past lesson. I'd like you to give me the English equivalent of the Japanese words that I will flash on the screen. Are you ready? じゃあ、行きましょう。The first word is daigaku. Daigaku is, I'll give you 5 seconds. Correct. The correct answer is university. Did you get the correct answer? Okay, let's move on to the second word. Hi. Okay, the correct answer is yes. And the last word is byoin. Byoin. The correct answer is hospital. Okay, that's great. Now, last time we learned about the patterns noun plus mo, noun 1 plus no plus noun 2, and sang. I'd like you to answer the sentences, or I'd like you to complete the sentences in the next slides. Are you ready? Okay, please type your answers in the chat, in the comment section below. Okay, let's begin with the first one. Brad Pitt-san wa America jin desu. Okay, so please complete the first sentence. Johnny Depp-san wa America jin desu. Johnny Depp-san blank America jin desu. What is the correct answer? Please type it in the comment section. The correct answer is wa. Very good. Second, America blank daitorio wa Joe Biden desu. America blank daitorio wa Joe Biden desu. The correct answer is no. Okay, very good. America no daitorio wa Joe Biden desu. And the last one, Rabia blank wa Philippine jin desu. What is the correct word to complete it? Sang. Okay, very good. Rabia-san wa Philippine jin desu. So I'd like you to read the sentences from the top to the bottom. Please repeat after me. Brad Pitt-san wa America jin desu. Brad Pitt-san wa America jin desu. 2. Johnny Depp-san wa America jin desu. Johnny Depp-san wa America jin desu. 3. アメリカの大統領はジョー・バイデンです。アメリカの大統領はジョー・バイデンです。4番、ラビアさんはフィリピン人です。ラビアさんはフィリピン人です。Okay, did you remember the patterns that we learned last time? Okay, that's cool. Now let's move on to the new words which we are going to learn. So as you can see here, we have Japanese words in the first column and the English words equivalent in the second column. Let us read from top to bottom. Kore, sore, are, kono, sono, ano, hon, jisho, zashi, shimbun, noto, techo, meishi, kado. Okay, so you have the English equivalents in the second column. Again, from top to bottom, kore, sore, are, kono, sono, ano, hon, jisho, zashi, shimbun, noto, techo, meishi, kado. Okay, so please memorize these words because it's very important to use these words when we are making or formulating our own sentences. Okay? Now let's move on to the grammar patterns here. So we have kore, sore, and are. Okay, so kore, sore, and are demonstratives. They work as nouns. So kore refers to a thing near the speaker. Okay, so I would like to say kore wa. Okay, let me show you the object. Kore wa saifu desu. Okay, kore wa これはスマホです。すいません。これはスマホです。Okay? So that's it. And then we have sure refers to a thing near the listener. So something that you are holding now, I would like to say, それはスマホです. So if you are holding a smartphone now, I would say, それはスマホです. And then the last one is are. Are refers to a thing far from the speaker and the listener. Okay? So, are wa smartphone desu. So, for example, if the smartphone is far from me and you, or you and I, then we would say are. So, are wa smartphone desu, for example. So, we have examples here. Kore wa jisho desu ka? Okay, so you're holding the dictionary. Koreo kodasai. So if you are holding something and you're giving it to him, koreo kodasai. Or if you are pointing at something you want to buy, koreo kodasai. Okay, and then sore wa denki desu ka? So you're talking to an object that is close to the listener. Okay. Now the next expression is kono, sono, and ano. So sono, kono, and ano modify nouns. So which means kono plus noun. So kono refers to a thing or a person near the speaker. So sono. Okay. Sono smartphone wa watashi no smartphone desu. For example, sono smartphone wa or kono smartphone wa watashi no smartphone desu. And then next is sono refers to a thing or a noun near the listener. So sono smartphone wa anata no desu ka? So something like that. Ano noun refers to a thing or a person far from both the speaker and the listener. So examples we have here. Kono hon wa watashi no desu. Okay. Second, ano kata wa donata desu ka? So who is that person? Okay. Sono shinbon wa anata no desu ka? So who is that, or is that your newspaper? Okay, something like that. Now let's move on to the third expression, which is so des, soja arimasen. In the case of a noun, the word so is often used to answer a question requiring an affirmative or negative answer. Hai so des is the affirmative answer, and iye soja arimasen is the negative answer. So we have examples here. それはテレホンカードですか? Okay. はい、そうです。Okay. So is that a telephone card? Yes, it is. Okay, next. それはテレホンカードですか? Is that a telephone card? いえ、そうじゃありません. No, it isn't. So the verb chigaimasu can be used to mean そうじゃありません. But chigaimasu is actually a plain form. So it's informal, which means that if you are talking to your friends or to people within your age group, you can say chigaimasu. Okay. However, if you use something or this expression with someone older than you, it is safer to say soja arimasen. Okay. However, in the example, sori wa terehon kado desu ka? Ie, chigaimasu. No, it isn't. Okay. Now, let's move on to the exercise. Okay. So by the way, if you have questions about today's lesson, please write it in the comment section below. I would try to answer your queries. Okay. Now, we have here an example. これは本ですか? So answer, はい、そうです。本です。Okay. これは手帳ですか? いいえ、そうじゃありません。本です。Okay. So the first question, これは本ですか? This is this a book? And the answer, はい、そうです。本です。Yes, it is. That is a book. これは手帳ですか? Okay. いえ、 soja arimasen. Hong desu. Okay, so as you can see here, we can use soja arimasen or also chigaimasu for that matter. Chigaimasu for informal and plain form, soja arimasen for a formal situation. Now another example, kore wa kagi desu ka? Okay, can you give me the answer? Ie, chigaimasu. Kasa desu. Kore wa kasa desu ka? Hai, so desu. Kasa desu. Okay, so you have that kind of answer. So let's try the next one. I'd like you to type the answer in the comment section. Kore wa tokei desu ka? Okay, please type the answer in the chat box. I mean in the comment section. Okay, another question. Kore wa smartphone desu ka? Okay, for the first question, kore wa tokei desu ka? The answer is hai, so desu. Tokei desu. Okay. For the second question, kore wa smartphone desu ka? Ie, chigaimasu. Tokei desu. Or you can say ie, soja arimasen. Tokei desu. Okay, did you get it right? Perfect. Now let's move on to the next. Please type your answer in the comment section. Kore wa shatsu desu ka? Kore wa radyo desu ka? Okay, so for the answer in question 1, kore wa shatsu desu ka? The answer is ie, chigaimasu. Radyo desu. Or you can also say ie, soja arimasen. Radyo desu. Okay, for the second question, kore wa radyo desu ka? The correct answer is hai, so desu. Radyo desu. Hai, so desu. Radyo desu. Did you get the correct answers? Very good. If not, you can correct your answers in the comment section. Now let's move on to the third one. Please type your answer in the comment section. Kore wa isu desu ka? Kore wa isu desu ka? Second question. Kore wa tetshou desu ka? Kore wa tetshou desu ka? Please type your answers in the comment section. Okay, the correct answer for the first question, kore wa isu desu ka? Hai, so desu, isu desu. Hai, so desu, isu desu. For the second question, kore wa tetshou desu ka? Ie, chigaimasu. Isu desu. Or, ie, soja arimasen. Isu desu. Okay, now let's move on to the next question. Please type your answer in the comment section. Kore wa ie desu ka? Kore wa ie desu ka? Second question. Kore wa chikue desu ka? Kore wa chikue desu ka? Please type your answer in the chat box. Okay, so let me reveal the correct answers for the first question. Kore wa ie desu ka? The correct answer is ie, chigaimasu. Chikue desu. Ie, chigaimasu. Chikue desu. Or you can also say ie, soja arimasen. Chikue desu. Ie, soja arimasen. Chikue desu. For the second question, kore wa chikue desu ka? The correct answer is hai, so desu. Chikue desu. Hai, so desu. Chikue desu. Okay, and for the last one, please write the answer in the chat box. Kore wa koyo desu ka? Kore wa koyo desu ka? And the second one, kore wa sakura desu ka? Kore wa sakura desu ka? Please type your answers in the chat box. or in the comment section rather. Okay, so time is up. Now the correct answer for the first one is これは紅葉ですか？いいえ、違います。桜です。いいえ、違います。桜です。or いいえ、そうじゃありません。桜です。いいえ、そうじゃありません。桜です。For the second question, これは桜ですか? The correct answer is はい、そうです。桜です。はい、そうです。桜です。Okay, so that would be the end of lesson 8. 皆さん、あこあこれから以上です。さようなら。